taking you back to a place that's oh so good. Are you with me? Let's do this. Woo! Hey folks, David aka RVJedeye, and I am at another state park which I absolutely love. It's the St. George Island State Park, just about an hour and a half outside of Tallahassee, right on the Gulf. It is absolutely fantastic. I was here just about 3 years ago, and it was beautiful then. It is equally beautiful now. The Hurricane Michael, has changed some stuff, so some of the hiking trails are a little difficult to get around on, but you can get your hike on. Check this out. So this is one of the things I remember about being here. The hiking trails are really easy to navigate, nice and wide. I think anybody could pretty much do these and still get a good hike and feel like you're really doing something and enjoying it. Oh yeah, nice to be back. Some great views as I hike here.
And yet you can still see the remnants of Hurricane Michael. Some of the hiking paths are knocked off. You can still get your hike on, but it's very different than the last time I was here.
So it feels a little weird being back here at St. George Island State Park, because the last time I was here with a couple of YouTubers you may remember, Mike and Jenny from Duet Justus. All right, you know who that is? That's Mike and Jenny, Duet Justus. Yeah. When I first got my RV, I reached out to these guys because they have a great series on RV renovations. Went by 2 inches wide on bees. And they answered back, and it was really important and really helpful. So it's been nice to spend some time with them.
Most of the time we don't mostly cut it up like this.
So you got fancy for me?
Yeah, and our fancy serving ware. But yeah, mostly it's just, take a handful here, handful there, and pretty much every day we make a smoothie.
You'll see a little bit of it here, and then stay with them over the next couple of weeks, maybe a month or so, and then you'll see a great crossover video that we did together. So out on a hike with Mike and Jenny for Duet Justus, and it is absolutely amazing. There they are. They're coming down too. Cool. But I got to tell you, they are some of the best folks you can imagine. We hung out, and it was one of the first time I met some folks from YouTube up close and personal, and who really helped me grow my channel, learn about the business, and just were overall really nice folks. They've since gotten out of the YouTube business, but you can still find some of their videos on here. I'll link to a couple of them underneath. But it was the first time that I really, I had reached out to some folks on YouTube, and they had responded and said really nice things, and we had a dialogue back and forth on some emails, and they were in the area, so we decided to camp together, and that was a really cool experience. I certainly miss them, hope they're doing well, but in all, whenever you get a chance to meet somebody from YouTube, if you see them, you follow them, and you get a chance to say hello, make sure you do. I learned a lot from them. They helped me, and part of the whole reason why I'm doing this whole channel is to pay it forward. When I first got into it, I was learning a lot and trying to do a lot, and they had been in it for a while and really gave me some great insights. So thank you to them, and just thank you to everybody on YouTube who I've followed over the years. So it's kind of funny to be back here, but it's nice in the same way. Now the park has 60 spots where you can RV or tent camp, and the sites are really easy to get in and out of. They're really beautiful as well. All right, so let me give you a look at some of the sites here at St. George Island State Park. They're very easy to get into no matter what size rig you have. Hey, take a look at this one right here. You see that? Nice and deep. And then right over here, another one. Perfect example of how you can get in and out. That's site 59 right behind me, and site 60. And then I'm in site 58, which is right here. Again, easy access here at the park. A great place to come, small rig or big. 2 bathhouses in the middle of the park, so if you are tent camping or you just don't want to use up your water, it's real easy to go up. They're nice and clean. You can shower. Everything is really nice there. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you like the content that's coming here on the RVJedeye channel, click and smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, so anytime a new video comes out, you'll be notified and you can come along with the journey. Now, one of the best parts about being at this park, yeah, it's about the water. Right over the dunes, right in the back of my RV, yeah, that's where the Gulf is, and it is absolutely gorgeous. You know, the last time I was here, I wasn't able to get into the water because it was kind of dangerous, but this time, oh yeah, I made sure I got in and really enjoyed it. This is why I love the beach. Absolutely gorgeous. Nobody here. I can actually go in the water for a little bit. Right now I'm just going to chill, enjoy, and appreciate what's all out there. So that's going to do it right now. St. George Island State Park here in Florida. You can find it. It's in Franklin County. Easy to get to. An absolute beautiful place. Oh, and did I mention? There's the ocean. You're not going to want to miss out on it. Hey, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching me. You can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye. And of course, you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have a great time. You get to find places like this. And you know what? It's not so bad coming back to them and remembering all of the fun you had the last time you were here. See you next time.
Just a quick reminder, starting Sunday, December 8th, new videos on the RVJedeye channel get posted on Sundays. So that's every Sunday starting December 8th.